Hey guys, good morning. Happy Vlogmas day, what, 15? Yes, Saturday morning. So I'm just waking up. We were up till late last night, finished wrapping all the Christmas gifts. So now we are finished, fully finished Christmas shopping. Thank God for that. So now it's just pretty much to get my house in order and yeah, get it together. So yeah, it's third here. Everybody's still sleeping in the house. Sorry, guys. Yes, so everybody's still sleeping, but I am up. Oh, my Christmas tree's on, and look, all my presents are under it. I am so happy. Yeah, so I don't know what we have planned for today. That I'm trying to figure out. We're supposed to go look at some more places, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure if we're gonna do that or not. Supposed to go pick up a couple of things today. Maybe do some grocery shopping. We haven't done any grocery shopping in a while. We've just been so busy. And as you guys can see from the blog, my husband is back. Yeah, he went away a week for work, so that's why he was gone. He left me and went all the way to Ottawa, and that was his first time in Ottawa, but he couldn't really vlog anything there, considering he was just working and he was working nights, so he slept through the day. So yeah, he wasn't able to get any footage for me because I didn't want to disturb his sleep because he has to work nights and he works with some dangerous equipment, so I didn't want to do that. But yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying Vlogmas. Yeah, sorry if some of the vlogs are boring. It is my first year. I'm still adjusting to this, and I'm also adjusting to, being out in public and holding up your phone or my camera. Sometimes I use my phone when I go out because people, they do stare. Yeah, and this whole vlogging thing is new to me. Like I would do hair videos on my natural hair, but I do enjoy vlogging. I enjoy vlogging because I get to kind of vlog my life, what I'm doing, and years from now, I'll be able to look back on it. My kids will be able to look back on it when I'm gone. It would still be up, which I think is something great that anybody can actually do. I know certain things goes on in people's life you don't want to showcase, but at the end of the day, when you're vlogging, you don't showcase even half of what you go through the day. People just see a glimpse of what you go through the day. So yeah, and this is why the whole reason why I actually started vlogging, because I do love going back watching the videos. The kids love going back too, because even the other night they were like watching the Jamaican vlogs when we were at the river, and they're like, "Oh, mom, I want to go home. Why can't we go home for Christmas?" I said, "Listen, we have too much things that we're doing right now, because we're looking for a place. We're trying to move, right? So we're in the process of trying to get things sorted out on that end. Yeah, I just finished like school, so I am on Christmas vacation. I wish I could go home too, but we have certain things that we need to set in stone to make sure that our life is secure, and that's what we're doing right now. So it will be a next year thing. Next year for sure, definitely. Because I usually go home every year, anyways, and we were home for 2 months. We were home for the whole summer, so which was nice. But yeah, so when we go home, we'll definitely take you guys along that journey. And yeah, we want to plan and do some fun things, but we're still gonna do some fun things up here while we are up here. We're gonna find things to do when my husband's off work. We'll find things to do, and the good thing is that I'm going to school right now full time, so I am not working. So my schedule is the same as the kids, which is great, and they love it because they get to see me home more often than when I was working, because I tend to somewhat be a workaholic when I am ready. But yeah, so I just wanted to come and say, yeah, good morning to you guys. I will get back to you based on what we're doing today. I'm still not sure yet. We have no clue what we're doing. We're supposed to go run some errands, so we're supposed to go look at some places, but we will see how that goes. And yeah, I guess I will get back to you guys later on. Bye. So we are finally, it's always halfway through the day already, and we're finally just leaving to go out now. Just leaving to go out. Because, oh, I don't know, where did he put the Bluetooth? I thought he said he left it in here, in the room. Oh, Lord. Well, you see how long I told you to get up and look about your hair? We are leaving now. So you either coming or you staying?
Staying. I'm coming.
I'm coming.
Have you seen Mario's Bluetooth?
No.
Okay.
I'm supposed to see.
Memphis, can you put these clothes in the laundry for me? His yeah, just put all of these, his work clothes, put them in to wash. I think he probably has it. Don't listen to him. Memphis, can you put all these that are on the floor, just put them in the laundry for me to wash. Okay? Okay, we are gone. We will see you later. We are gone. Okay, let's go, Faith. Because Mario's waiting. Yeah, guys, but we are on the road. My hair looks like a hot mess, but it is what it is. So when I go home tonight, I'm gonna try and wash it and straighten it, put some heat on my hair. I'm just gonna try and wear it out for the next 3 weeks, or well, maybe 2. We'll see. Before I put it back up in some protective style, because this winter is damaging to my hair, and I gotta keep it moist. But it is ridiculous outside. Everybody and their mother is out here. I guess getting their last minute Christmas shopping done. So, but yeah, we just wanted to get out of the house, so we're running a few errands. So yeah, I'll just see what is going on and go from there. So when we reach our destination, I will get back to you guys. Oh man, it's so funny how the weekend has started, and yet I still have not gotten no sleep yet. I know I'm still up early as if I was going to school when I should be sleeping in. I went to bed late like I was up studying, and then I got up early same way. So I need to fully this week just get some rest, which I am planning on doing. Hopefully get like one good full day of sleep and then wake up and feel refreshed again. So yeah, I'll get back to you guys when we reach where we're going. Yep. We reached our destination. I'm just looking for some stuff for the house because I want to get my bathroom stuff, Christmassy decoration. So that is what we are currently doing right now. Oh my, this place is so tiny. It's tiny in here. Where did Mario go? What are you looking for, babes? What are you looking for? You don't know, you're just looking. Yeah, guys, so we're just looking around. Hopefully I can find what I need in here. No, because I was gonna ask Mario if should I get that one or the other one. So I'll wait till he goes back up there and then I ask him. You can see night already come down on us out here. Oh gosh. She opened the door. Tell her to open the door and let's go. Yeah, look guys, night come down already. And even oh, it is cold. It's getting cold. The temperature is just dropping in here. What 5 o'clock now? And look at the time. Look at the time. So yeah, I just went and got my curtains, my shower thing, and my other part of my bedspread to switch up for my Christmas. Yes. Can you believe it? How much days left until Christmas? Today is what? The 15th? So you have exactly 10 days. 10 days till Christmas?
No.
That is crazy. 10 days till Christmas and what, 16 days till the New Year? New Year's right around. But the New Year's right around the corner though. It is. It's right around the corner. So yeah, we're just gonna go into the store, go grab some food, and head home. I'll get back to you. Set your face food in at the store. Card? I wasn't getting a card. I was just getting nothing there. So when you're getting it, were you getting mostly that? So babes, why would you get all of that when they have one here? To mix it. Wouldn't you just take out of this one, put it in that one, and try and mix it? So we are finished doing our little last minute, just getting some stuff. Going home to go make me some porridge. Well, hubby's gonna make his famous porridge. Don't kiss your teeth at me. Why you give me that look? Hubby's going home to go make me his famous porridge on this nice Saturday night. So that's what we're going to go home and make for dinner. Yeah, I felt like some porridge, some Jamaican cornmeal porridge. Yeah, he makes it really good. Oh no, you did find Lasco? We have Lasco?
Yes.
No, Lasco finish?
Mommy, need a
Finish none.
Oh my.
Mommy, we need a
Okay. I thought we had some. Okay. Well, yeah, guys, we're on. Yeah, we'll get the hooks another day. Tomorrow probably me and you guys are gonna go. Maybe go out, maybe.
Come on, any stop till let's come from here.
They do sell, but it's expensive.
Here.
Where did we buy it last time? The other place,
At a Caribbean place.
the other Caribbean place up further.
Up where?
You
The one
can't.
there, go over there, there, no.
No, that's not the one in Pickering. No, they won't have it. The one down here, they'll have it. So I'll get back to you guys when. So we just reached home from outside. Yeah, we just reached home, so just hanging up our coats and stuff. No. Yeah, guys. So I'm just gonna go make the porridge and stuff like that, and I'm going to put up. And I'm going to put up my curtains, the Christmas curtains and stuff now. I'm just gonna go do that and switch over my bathroom as well. And next weekend I will end up putting on my new sheets and my new comforter for Christmas. So yeah, so I don't know. If anything, I'm just gonna say this is gonna be the end of the vlog, guys. If anything, I will talk to you tomorrow in vlog number 16. Yeah, tomorrow's the 16th already, so I will talk to you guys. Have a good night. Bye. Guys, good afternoon. It is Vlogmas day 14. So I am actually, me and the girls are on our way to go finish doing our shopping that we were supposed to get done yesterday that we didn't get done. So we are actually just on our way right now to go and get that done. So yeah, Memphis wanted to stay home, so he's staying home. And